Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can use the law of attraction in your everyday life to manifest the life of your dreams. So the first thing that I'm gonna talk about is affirmations. Use affirmations on a daily basis. Repeat those affirmations in the morning when you wake up, at night before you go to bed, throughout the day. Repeat affirmations like, I'm exactly where I need to be, I'm attracting my dream life, I trust the universe, I'm abundant, I'm manifesting my dreams. You can choose the manifestations that speak to you the most, write them on a piece of paper, and repeat those affirmations every day. I believe that affirmations are so powerful in reprogramming our subconscious mind, and when you repeat those affirmations you send out good vibration into the universe. As time goes by you start to actually believe those affirmations, so you don't have to believe in them from the beginning, but as much as you repeat those affirmations you're just gonna incorporate them into your belief system. And using affirmations like, I'm living the life of my dreams, will send out a positive vibration to the universe, and it tells the universe that you already have what you need, even if you don't have it yet. But remember that everything is energy, everything works in vibration. So when you send out those vibrations, they will come back to you. Number 2 is to start doing things that your best self would do. So imagine the best version of yourself. What is this version doing on a daily basis? Does this version of you meditate every morning? Does this version of you journal every night? Does this version of you spend time in nature, spend time connecting with nature? And start embodying those traits. Start doing those things on a daily basis. That way you can embody that energy of your best self. Number 3, visualization. This is really important because when we visualize, we put ourselves in those situations where we want to be. So take a time out of your day, maybe in the morning or at night before you sleep, to visualize the life of your dreams. Visualize yourself living your dream life and visualize yourself having those things that you want to manifest. So for example, if you want to live somewhere and work your dream job, imagine a specific situation where you're at this place, at this beautiful place in your home, doing exactly what you love. Imagine everything, all the details, all the colors, all how you feel, what you see, what you hear. Integrate all of your senses into the moment so that you can feel exactly those emotions that you would feel if you were in that situation. And focus on your emotions. Focus on those emotions and feel them as if everything is already here. Everything you want to manifest is already in your life. And when you focus on those emotions and those feelings, take them with you throughout the day. Keep fueling those emotions and keep them alive throughout the day. That way you can raise your vibrational frequency. Which leads me to the next point, which is to keep your vibration high throughout the day. So if you start your morning with a meditation that will calm your mind, that will allow you to be still and mindful, you will more likely feel calm throughout the day, and you will more likely feel good throughout the day. And when negative thoughts come into your mind, you won't give them that much attention. You'll just let them pass and let them go and come back to a state of peacefulness and becoming more calm and more mindful. Also do things that you enjoy throughout the day. Everything that makes you happy, everything that makes your soul vibrate. Engage in activities that make you feel positive emotions. Go for a walk in nature. If you don't have time, just make sure that whatever you do throughout the day, be mindful and be present and see the positive thing in everything that you do. And the last tip is to use a vision board. I love vision boards. I've been using them for years now, and they always help me to set the tone, you know. When you wake up in the morning and you look at that vision board and you see all of these pictures of the things that you want to manifest, when you see those affirmations, your subconscious mind picks up those things and picks up that information. And remember that our subconscious mind can control our conscious thoughts. So having a vision board around will really reprogram your subconscious mind into producing more positive thoughts and making you feel that you're actually living your dream life and that you're actually manifesting everything that you desire. Also, for me, when I look at my vision board, I feel really good. I feel really positive, and I feel all of those positive emotions as if I already have those things. And that's a really important thing, so you can send out positive vibes out to the universe, and the universe will give you exactly what you need. Make sure to keep your vibration high as much as you can, because you know, we're not perfect, we are human and we feel negative emotions, but remember to always come back to that state of calmness, that state of peacefulness, so that way you don't let your negative thoughts control you and ruin your day. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos about spirituality, law of attraction and astrology. See you guys in my next video. Bye.